Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. First off, I just want to wish you all a happy and a prosperous new year. I pray that everything you wish, all your goals and heart desires for this 2024, they actually come to reality. I pray that God grants you all your goals. So our first video for 2024, I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 best body lotions for an attractive and a glowing fair skin. Yes, I'm going to be giving you all good lotions that will actually help you to bring out your natural fair skin complexion and also glow your fair skin complexion. So the first lotion on my list is the Medix 5.5 vitamin C plus ferulic acid body lotion. If you have a dry skin, you have a fair skin, and you also have a dry skin, this lotion will be so nice for you. And another thing I love about this lotion is that it is not only moisturizing, this lotion is non-greasy on the skin at all. So this lotion will help you moisturize your skin, and at the same time it will not leave your skin feeling greasy at all. Now, one of the reasons why I made sure that I included this Medix 5.5 lotion in this list of lotions for fair skin is because this lotion is packed with a lot of ingredients, like not just ingredients but skin beneficial ingredients. And some of these ingredients that I'm talking about, we have vitamin C. This lotion has vitamin C, it has vitamin E, it has ferulic acid in it, it has ginger, it has ginseng, it also contains turmeric in it, and it contains aloe vera in it. Now all these ingredients, these are skin beneficial ingredients. Now, as we all know that vitamin C helps to brighten the skin, now this lotion also contains turmeric in it, which will also help you to brighten your skin. Now this turmeric and vitamin C that is found in this body lotion, it will help you to brighten your skin. It will help you gradually fade out dark spots and hyperpigmentation on your skin. So if you want a brighter skin and also a more evened out fair skin complexion, then you definitely need to try out this Medix 5.5 body lotion. It will be so nice when it comes to brightening your skin. Now, another benefit the turmeric in this lotion offers is that it helps get rid of a dull looking skin. So if your fair skin is also looking dull, then this lotion will actually help you to get rid of a dull looking skin, and majority of these benefits comes from the turmeric that is found from this product. Now, other benefits this Medix 5.5 lotion offers to the skin is that it stimulates collagen production, and it also promotes skin elasticity and firmness on the skin. Now this lotion is actually nice for sensitive skin. The reason why I said that is because, when I was mentioning the ingredients in it, I said it contains aloe vera, and as we all know that when it comes to skin irritation, if you want ingredient that will help you calm skin irritation, then aloe vera is like one of the best natural ingredients that actually helps with skin irritation. So due to the fact that this lotion contains aloe vera in it, that now makes it suitable for people that has sensitive skin. And not only is this lotion good for sensitive skin, as a matter of fact, this lotion is good for all skin types. Yes. Now the second lotion on my list is the Skin by Zaron vitamin C body lotion. Now this lotion, if you've made use of this lotion, you will know that this lotion is so nice. But if you've not, maybe you've watched review on this lotion is actually a nice lotion. And the best part of it, the best part of this lotion is that this is a Nigerian based lotion. That is, it's a Nigerian brand that actually manufactured this body lotion, and this lotion is so nice when it comes to brightening the skin. So if you want a Nigerian brand, like a skincare brand in Nigeria that has good brightening body lotion, then this Skin by Zaron vitamin C body lotion, it's a very nice lotion that you can make use of. This Skin by Zaron lotion is very nice when it comes to hydrating the skin, moisturizing the skin, firming the skin, and also brightening the skin. Okay, so this is a very nice moisturizing body lotion and also a brightening body lotion. One of the things that is making me very happy to film this video for you is that I really came prepared for this video. Like, I really made did my research when it comes to giving you all good brightening body lotion. You know, when I was talking about the Medix 5.5 body lotion, I said that it contains a lot of skin beneficial ingredients. Now, this Skin by Zaron vitamin C body lotion also contains a lot of skin beneficial ingredients, and some of the ingredients that are found in this lotion, we have vitamin C, a super brightening ingredient. We have alpha arbutin, which is also a very nice brightening ingredient. This lotion also contains niacinamide, which also helps to brighten the skin. This lotion contains kojic acid, and as we all know that kojic acid is a very good brightening ingredient. That is, when you hear kojic acid, it actually helps to target dark spots, uneven skin tone. Yes, that is like one of the benefits. That's like one of the benefits of kojic acid to the skin. So this lotion also contains kojic acid, and another ingredient that is found in this lotion is mother of pearl extract. Now, if this is your first time hearing the word mother of pearl extract, this ingredient is actually a natural exfoliant. That is, it will help you to exfoliate your skin, and it is actually gentle. It's not something that is too harsh on the skin, and it will also help you, as it's exfoliating your skin, it will help you to stimulate collagen production. It will help you to repair a damaged skin barrier. That is, it actually focuses on skin barrier. This mother of pearl extract also helps to hydrate the skin, and it protects the skin from pollution and other harmful elements. So can you see that this mother of pearl extract on its own actually benefits the skin in a lot of ways? Now, apart from mother of pearl extract and other ingredients I mentioned to you, this lotion also contains collagen, and as we all know that collagen helps to repair a damaged skin barrier, right? Now, with all these ingredients that I've mentioned to you, you will know that this body lotion, it's a very nice brightening body lotion. So if your fair skin is uneven, that is, you have an uneven fair skin complexion, making use of this Skin by Zaron vitamin C body lotion will be super nice for your fair skin. It will help you to brighten and even out your natural fair skin complexion. And yes, it also helps to target and gradually reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now, this lotion is good for people that have normal to dry skin. The reason why is because it is super moisturizing, as I've mentioned before, and it is also hydrating on the skin, and it is also good for sensitive skin. As a matter of fact, it is good for all skin types. Yes, this lotion is actually gentle on the skin. It is not going to cause irritation on your skin at all. So this is a very nice brightening body lotion that you can make use of. Now, the next lotion on my list is the Olay vitamin C Revitalizing and Hydrating body lotion. This Olay body lotion contains vitamin C and vitamin B3 complex in it. Now, the combination of this vitamin C and vitamin B3 complex will actually help you to hydrate your skin. It will help you to brighten your skin and improve your fair skin complexion. If you have an uneven fair skin complexion, this Olay body lotion will help you to even out your natural fair skin complexion. This lotion is a lightweight body lotion that moisturizes the skin well, and it actually absorbs quickly in the skin. It does not leave the skin feeling greasy at all, and this lotion is actually very nice for people that has dry skin, normal to dry skin. This lotion is so nice for people that has dry skin because it will help you to moisturize your skin, and it will not leave your skin feeling greasy at all. And apart from normal to dry skin, this lotion is actually good for all skin types, yes, including sensitive skin. Now, this lotion, just in overall, this lotion was specifically crafted or specifically made to help brighten the skin. It contains 2 brightening ingredients, like I've mentioned to you. I said vitamin C and vitamin B3 complex. Now, vitamin B3 also means niacinamide. Okay, so wherever you hear vitamin B3, it means niacinamide. So it contains vitamin C and niacinamide in it, which will help you to brighten and even out your skin's complexion. Now, the next body lotion on my list is the Topicrem Mela Unifying Ultra Moisturizing Milk. So this is what this product actually looks like. This lotion here is specifically designed to help moisturize the skin, even out the skin's complexion and also reduce the appearance of dark spots on the skin. Despite the fact that this lotion is moisturizing on the skin, it actually has a lightweight consistency that is non-sticky and non-greasy on the skin. Now, another reason why I love this Topicrem Mela body lotion is that it contains an SPF of 15 in it. Yes, which will actually give you an added sunlight protection benefit to your skin. Now, this SPF 15 that is found in this body lotion, that doesn't mean that, okay, because it contains SPF 15, then you should not make use of a sunscreen. No, my dear, you need a sunscreen, okay, because SPF 15 is very small to protect the skin. So this SPF 15 that is found in this body lotion is only going to give you added sunlight protection benefits to the sunscreen that you'll be using alongside with this Topicrem Mela body lotion. Now, coming to the key ingredients in this body lotion. This lotion is formulated with Mela complex. Now, this Mela complex is a combination of algae extract and niacinamide. Now, due to the presence of this algae extract and niacinamide that is found in this body lotion, it will help you to target and even out your skin's complexion. It will actually help you to target dark spots and also gradually fade out the appearance of dark spots on your skin. Now, this lotion is good for all skin types, yes, including dry skin and also sensitive skin. So this is a very nice lotion that you can make use of to help brighten and glow your fair skin complexion, your natural fair skin complexion. Now, the next body lotion on my list is the Nivea Extra White Firm and Smooth Body Lotion. Now, before I move into the benefits of this lotion, I just want to quickly point out that I don't see this body lotion as a lightening body lotion. You know, the name says extra white, okay? But I don't see this lotion as a lightening body lotion. And the reason why I said that is because when I went through the ingredients list of this Nivea body lotion, I didn't find any lightening ingredients in the ingredient list of this body lotion. So that's just something I wanted to point out. So if you think you make use of this lotion and it will lighten your skin, no, it's not going to lighten your skin, but rather what I will call this lotion is a very nice or a strong brightening body lotion. This lotion will really help you to brighten and even out your natural skin complexion. So this is a very nice like brightening body lotion, Nivea lotion for people that has fair skin complexion. So if you have a fair skin and maybe you want to be a Nivea girly, you want to try out Nivea product, then this Nivea Extra White Firm and Smooth Body Lotion, it's a very nice brightening, okay, it's not a lightening lotion, okay, it's a very nice brightening body lotion you can make use of. Now, the reason why this lotion will help brighten your skin is because it contains 4 times vitamin C and other brightening ingredients. So it's not only vitamin C that is brightening in this product, it also contains other brightening ingredients which will help you to brighten your skin and also help you to reduce the appearance of dark spots on your skin. Now, this lotion also contains Q10 and collagen in it. Now, Q10 and collagen, due to the combination of these 2 ingredients, it will actually help you to firm your skin. It will help you to repair your skin barrier, okay? So if you have a damaged skin barrier and you also have an uneven fair skin complexion, then you need to try out this Nivea Extra White Firm and Smooth Body Lotion. Now, another reason I love this body lotion is that this lotion contains a UV filter, and this UV filter is called the ethyl hexyl methoxycinnamate. Yes, it's a sunscreen filter that will actually help to protect your skin from UV damage. So this is a very nice body lotion that you can make use of, okay? This lotion is actually good for all skin types. Now, as I mentioned earlier, that this lotion is a very nice body lotion for fair skin. As a matter of fact, that is what the title of this video states. So this Nivea Extra White body lotion is one of the good brightening body lotion that is very nice for fair skin. Now, there's one thing that fair skin complexion actually complains. Maybe it might not even be fair skin complexion. Practically, it can be all skin complexion that they complain about Nivea brand and their products. They claim that they say that Nivea products makes them go dark. Well, me, if you know, I am somebody that loves Nivea so much. I make use of a lot of Nivea products. I have never experienced it. Let me just be very sincere. Nivea products has never made me go dark. I've never experienced it. but I actually believe in the claim that Nivea products can make you go dark, and that is the reason why this Nivea body lotion I mentioned to you, it's a very nice lotion for fair skin. This one will not make you go dark. And also, if you need more Nivea body lotions that you can make use of that will not make you go dark, just like this Nivea extra white, let's say you were unable to find this Nivea extra white, I have actually filmed a video where I shared good Nivea body lotion for fair skin complexion, all skin complexion. It will not make you go dark at all. And aside from giving you this body lotion, I also explained to you in details some reasons why Nivea body lotions is making you go dark. So you definitely don't want to miss out that video. So I'm going to leave the link of that video over here so you can follow this link to check out that video. So loves, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.